OSIC 2018-2019. What is OSIC? OSIC is the Ottawa Science Innovation Challenge, a research proposal competition with no lab experience or technique required. This competition allows high school students to piece together a new idea based on existing literature, which takes creativity as well as critical thinking. The topic of the competition changes yearly, but is always health-related and connected to the Canadian population. Who can participate? The competition is open to any 11th or 12th grade high school student. It is offered in both French and English and has no prerequisite research experience required. The format of OSIC. The competition is split into two rounds. The first round is a written proposal based on the case, which is revealed to the competitors at the end of the registration period. This written proposal is then submitted before a deadline and judged remotely by researchers and graduate students. In the second round, finalists from the first round have to transform their written proposal into a research poster format. These finalists are then invited to the University of Ottawa campus for a presentation day in which they will present their poster to judges in person, explore the uOttawa campus, and meet several professors and researchers. Why should you participate? The top 3 teams from the second round will receive scholarships from the University of Ottawa Faculty of Science. These scholarships are of $2,000 to each member of the first place team, $1,000 to each member of the second place team, and $500 to each member of the third place team. Furthermore, certificates are given to all final round participants. This competition is an excellent opportunity to enrich your CV with valuable research experience.
What happens? The first round is a written proposal submission round, where students will form a proposal tackling the case in the form of a written proposal. It will be judged remotely by researchers and graduate students. The top written proposals will be finalists and invited to compete on the University of Ottawa campus against students from other schools. The final round will be a poster presentation on the uOttawa campus to judges. Throughout the day, students will have the ability to explore the uOttawa campus and programs, meet professors, and build relationships with researchers. There will be guest speakers along with a complimentary lunch. Who are the judges? They are professors and graduate students from Let's Talk Science and the University of Ottawa. Each submission is judged by 3 or 4 judges as scores will be standardized. Written feedback will also be provided. Previous year's cases. Previous year's cases were multiple sclerosis and Lyme disease. These 2 topics are relevant to the Ottawa region and the Canadian society. Therefore, this year's case will also utilize this criteria. What can I write my proposal on? You may approach the case from any perspective to comment on any aspect, so long as it is relevant to the case topic. You can use knowledge from any and every field of science. You are not required to focus on any particular issue mentioned in the case, nor do you have to address any specific diseases mentioned in the case story. It must be lab-based. It cannot be a clinical study, nor can it be an observational study. There are many resources available through the uOttawa Library website. However, the main databases are Web of Science and PubMed. The link here is a useful tutorial regarding PubMed. You must save all the articles that you use on your desktop in order to reference them and provide a detailed bibliography at the end of your written submission. Your school may also have useful resources and databases. Talk to your librarian for more information and possible access to these resources and databases. If you come across an article that is locked or requires money to unlock, you may send us the link and ask us to request to ask us to unlock this article. A very useful tool for referencing is Mendeley. It is highly recommended to use. Coming up with a research idea, you should use the funnel approach, where the largest step is highlighting a problem. The middle step is to fully understand the different factors involved with this problem. And finally, to link ideas and propose a solution to this problem. The challenge. The required sections are the abstract, background, research idea, aim, hypothesis, rationale, significance of research idea, research approach or methodology, the definition C, references using an APA formatting for all citations and bibliography. These are also explained throughout the student guide. You may contact us through our email or through our Facebook. Frequently asked questions. Can students outside of Ottawa join? The answer is yes, so long as students are able to attend mandatory sessions. Can students team up with other students from other schools? The answer is also yes. As long as contestants are grade 11 or grade 12 students, they are able to participate. How do the scholarships work? The scholarship may only be used at uOttawa, specifically in the Faculty of Science. They are not in a check format, but rather deducted directly from your tuition's balance should you attend the Faculty of Science at uOttawa.